We reached the beautiful temples of Asakusa in only a 10-minute walk from our Airbnb. And after 4 days of shopping in Tokyo, the calming scenery was so nice. At almost every temple or shrine, you can find yatai, which are stands that sell delicious street food. Next, we went to Sumida Park to see the Tokyo Skytree. Instead of going up the tower, we enjoyed the view of the cherry blossoms. We also went to take a look at the Tokyo Tower. One of my favorite artists on Instagram, Masuda Miku, happened to be doing an exhibition in Tokyo while I was there, and I was even lucky enough to meet her and to get her autograph. I'm at the Pokemon Cafe. In the basement of Tokyo Station, there's like a lot of shops with like cute characters. It's called Character Street, and I got a lot, so I'm gonna do a little haul. Tutorial. He's so soft. Him. I've been wanting a wallet. I got him too. It's a tapioca ball.
Oh yes.
So cute. That's it. Thank you. So we're at Oedo Onsen right now in Odaiba. It's like a matsuri and onsen, but it's like all inside. And it has like an arcade, it has souvenirs, and it has like those matsuri games and a lot of food also. So right now we just stopped to have lunch. 牛丼3つとセットが3つ。こちらお会計はご一緒でよろしいですか？別々。ではお一人様ずつです。So we just pay with this at the end, and we can scan whatever food or activities we want.
What did you get?
Gudetama and Korilakuma.
Dude. This is our uniform. We're working ladies.
So this is like a relaxing kind of like a sauna, and we can also sleep here, so relax time. Before heading out to Akihabara, we went to an owl cafe. This was honestly such an amazing experience to have been able to see owls this close and to even be able to pet them. He looks so mad. I'm touching an owl.
I know.
And for our last stop in Tokyo, we explored Akihabara, the district of electronics and anime. It's Eren! Eren! Eren, Levi! Yo!